Odinga. Thutha wa kiama kia ODM Kuhotwo ithurano-ini kinini icigo-ini cia ubunge cia Embakasi ya muhuro na Ugenya, Mutongoria wa kiama kia Raila Odinga augite Kuhotwo kana kuhotana ni muthako muitikirie uteti-ini.
Elections are won or lost. So the fact that somebody has lost an election is not a big deal.
Miario ya Odinga yukite uriri miabo itiganite ya kiuteti ikoretwo igicogotha kiama kia ODM nyundu wa Kuhotwo Ugenya, makiuga icio ni dalili ati Odinga agia kugaruriro gitama kia uteti mwena ucio.
There are no issues at all in ODM. There are no differences in our party. The two by-elections are really like a drop of water in the ocean. ODM remains a very strong and united party.
Obo Odinga ni ugite ni kuthii na mbere kuthingiriria bonge cia kuburana ungumania cieke mituki niguo kuburana na murimu uyu.
This war must be done just like the president said, within the confines of the law. But at the same time, there's need to speed up this war.
Odinga ekwaragia riria gucemanitie na atongoria kuuma icigo itiganite cia Rift Valley aria mekumucereire wabicini yake mwena wa Capitol Hill guko Nairobi.
We support the handshake fully and we would like to move together.
Those elected leaders who are speaking and always using the Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Raila, as a scapegoat to their shortcomings, that should come to an end.
Udoyo okete oriri atongoria moritio kubunja thayo kuri muingi na kwithemana na miario iria ingiburunja thayo wa Akenya. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Masi, wadia wa Murithi
from Wasingishu, and we have a